Hello, this is Dotrugles, and I'm going to teach you how to mod in soldat. Alright, just open up soldat. By default, it's located in C:/soldat, but mine is located in Windows. Alright, now when you're here, open up your mods folder. Alright, and then create a new folder. Name it whatever your mod, whatever you wish to name your mod. In this case, I'll just call it test. Right. Now, copy whatever you want to modify, alright, into your folder. This is animations, like for example, how your player walks, how they do backflips, all that. Right, I wouldn't recommend doing this, because if you mod it, you cannot go online. This Bala, you don't need to change this. You don't need to change bots. Custom interface, you don't. All you really need to change are the GOS deck, which is the players, what they look like. Interface, which is, you know, your interface obviously. Scenery, which is just all the sceneries around you. Sparks, which are explosions, rains, snow, all that jazz. Weapons, which is self-explanatory, all your weapons, bullets. Text, which is changing the weapon, weapon names. Alright. Textures, which is basically the ground. SFX, which is music. And weapons.ini. This is basically the statistics for all the weapons. For example, you know, whatever, if this gun can shoot this type of bullet, how much damage it does, all that. Alright. I'll just copy any and hold control to select multiple items, and I will also copy weapons. So I got these two. I'm going to copy it, go into mods, into my test folder, and paste them in. Alright, from here you can open it. Weapons.ini might not look like this for your screen. If it doesn't, just right click it, go to properties, go to change, and select notepad. Alright, now you can open them up and edit it. Alright, here's all the information. This is the bullet style. Alright, plain bullets, frag grenades, shotguns, pellets, M79 grenade, punches, and all that. Alright, there's also cluster grenades, and I'm pretty sure that it's 9, but it does not show you it. Alright, here's all the information for each weapon. As you can see, this is how much damage it does, the interval between each shots, time in between each shots basically, how much ammo it can hold, how long it takes to reload, how fast the bullet goes. I like to advise you that the speed also affects the damage, right? Bullet style, which is one of these. Start time, which is how long you gotta hold your mouse before it starts shooting, such as in a minigun. Bink, basically bink is if you shoot for a lengthy period of time, it'll cause the gun to become inaccurate. Alright. Movement accuracy, that basically means if you're moving your gun, moving the player around, will the accuracy be affected? How affected? And recoil, basically every time you shoot, how strong is the recoil? Alright, certain guns have special effects and all that, such as Desert Eagles. It fires 2 shots of whatever ammo it uses. So if you change to rockets, then it fires 2 rockets. Alright, the shotgun has the special reload in which it reloads 1 shot at a time. Barrette has the scope ability, and yeah, and then there's a bunch of stuff you can do to change them around. Alright, and if you're intending it for realistic mode, you gotta copy the realistic file weapons data as well, because it's different. Okay, now back to the mod. For weapons, these are the pictures right here. Picture of every one of them. I'm gonna go edit the AK. Now, as you can see, each gun is split up into different parts. You got the gun itself, the clip, the bullet, and the shell. Alright? And the ones with number 2 basically is a mirror image of it. What happens when the player looks looks the opposite direction. Alright? Basically, whatever it's green, that specific color of green right there, it basically means, oh no, I don't want to use it. Okay, anyways, it basically means it will not show it up. So whatever you don't want to be the game to show, cover in green, right? Don't make it too big, alright, or the game will also crash. There's also readme. Alright. Now when you load up a mod, it will obviously not affect any of your other graphics. Right? It'll stay up in its own little mod file. Alright, and then there's Stex, the players. Alright, this is all the files for Team 1, and this is Team 2. Ranny is basically what happens when the person is bloody, right? Where the blood files. If you need some help, just go to help right here, and it shows you the name of the file and what part it is. For example, Morta is the head, Biodro is the waist, Udo are like the knees, whatever you want to call them, kneecaps. And if you open up help, it tells you the other files. Alright, and that's effects. That's kind of self-explanatory. Just make sure it's the same name as the one you want to be. Interface, also self-explanatory. And that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching.